30 plus cooking verbs vocabulary. Fry. Fry. Deep fry potatoes for the best fries. Deep fry potatoes for the best fries. Toast. Toast. I like to toast my bread for breakfast. I like to toast my bread for breakfast. Mash. Mash. Mash the potatoes for creamy goodness. Mash the potatoes for creamy goodness. Grill. Grill. He grills meat and bacon on the barbecue. He grills meat and bacon on the barbecue. Roast. Roast. My mom roasts tasty chickens for dinner. My mom roasts tasty chickens for dinner. Bake. Bake. I bake my own bread on the weekend. I bake my own bread on the weekend. Slice. Slice. Mom asks me to slice carrots for the soup. Mom asks me to slice carrots for the soup. Break. Break. My sister can break an egg with one hand. My sister can break an egg with one hand. Melt. Melt. You have to melt chocolate for a Choco cake. You have to melt chocolate for a Choco cake. Cut. Cut. Cut meat against the grain for juiciness. Cut meat against the grain for juiciness. Chop. Chop. Can you chop carrots into small pieces? Can you chop carrots into small pieces? Grate. Grate. I grate cheese for my pizza topping. I grate cheese for my pizza topping. Steam. Steam. For tips, steam carrots until just tender. For tips, steam carrots until just tender. Boil. Boil. I need to boil water before adding spaghetti. I need to boil water before adding spaghetti. Stir. Stir. You can use a teaspoon to stir your tea. You can use a teaspoon to stir your tea. Spread. Spread. The chef spreads mushrooms on my pizza. The chef spreads mushrooms on my pizza. Layer. Layer. Layer the cake with 6 colored sponges. Layer the cake with 6 colored sponges. Roll out. Roll out. She rolls out pastry on a flat surface. She rolls out pastry on a flat surface. Peel. Peel. Potatoes taste better if you peel them. Potatoes taste better if you peel them. Mix. Mix. I mix chocolate and vanilla for my cake. I mix chocolate and vanilla for my cake. Whip. Whip. Can you help me whip eggs into cream? Can you help me whip eggs into cream? Taste. Taste. Always taste the food before serving. Always taste the food before serving. Pinch. Pinch. I love to pinch a little salt into the soup. I love to pinch a little salt into the soup. Pour. Pour. Be careful when you pour expensive milk. Be careful when you pour expensive milk. Weigh. Weigh. I need to weigh out 10 pounds of apples. I need to weigh out 10 pounds of apples. Barbecue. Barbecue. If the weather is fine, we will barbecue. If the weather is fine, we will barbecue. Sear. Sear. Sear the steak for a few minutes on each side. Sear the steak for a few minutes on each side. Simmer. Simmer. Let the soup simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Let the soup simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Poach. Poach. Poach the eggs in simmering water for a runny yolk. Poach the eggs in simmering water for a runny yolk. Marinate. Marinate. Marinate the meat in flavor overnight before cooking. Marinate the meat in flavor overnight before cooking. Sauté. Sauté. Don't overcrowd the pan when you sauté. Don't overcrowd the pan when you sauté.